Principal of Engineering students. I am so excited to start this off with you. This is our very first project in the class, the gravity-powered coin mover machine. Now, as we go through this, what I really need you to do is make sure that you have the documents provided to you, just so as we're going through this, you can check it out at the same time, and we'll go through some tips and tricks as we are going forward. Now, for your coin mover, your job is to develop something that is only powered by gravity to carry as many coins as you possibly can, as far as you possibly can. So we're gonna set up a ramp in class. You're gonna create your prototypes. We're gonna slide that thing down a ramp and we're gonna measure how far does it move from the edge of the ramp. Now we do have problem statements. We still have design constraints, but I will warn you, building this stuff is a lot of fun. Testing this stuff, having a competition with the other classmates is a lot of fun, and there's some really cool ideas that happen. However, we are also checking for your process. Are you properly doing your organization and neatness? How is your engineering notebook? Are you recording your problem statement, your design constraints? How is your brainstorming? So make sure that as you go through this project, you're having fun, but you are also maintaining your engineering notebook to the standards that we need, because at the end of the day, that is what we're checking. So there's gonna be a lot of time spent on building, but make sure you're not neglecting your engineering notebook. Now, let's go through a few things together. Your equipment is going to be in a bag or in a container like this, where we have your index cards, your ping pong balls, spaghetti, your tape, your thumbtacks, your paper clips, all of that good stuff is going to be provided to you. If any of this breaks, that is on you. You don't get any extras. If your tape gets lost or messed up, that is completely on you, and you cannot use stuff from other people's packages. Now, as you are going through this, I highly recommend that you read through this entire document and notice how some of this stuff has larger font, some of it is bolded. That's a big indication of something that you need to mirror within your engineering notebook itself. So thinking about your define the problem, your generate concepts, things like that. Notice how on the rubric, it lays out exactly what I'm looking for. And there's a direct match for it within your activity packet itself. So what I would do is snag a highlighter, make sure you are highlighting those really important things, because right now you can go into your engineering notebook and at the very least you can set up your organization so that your headers match the headers that are shown within the document here. Make sure you are reading through all of this to show the constraints, because some things are okay, some things are not okay. And especially at the very, very end, there's an extensive reflection that shows me what you learned and how advanced you are at the work that we are doing here. So I am extremely excited to see what you guys come up with, how weird, how crazy your designs are, and what the process is that you follow to make the best coin mover possible. Good luck.